Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. A quick review for you today. If your driving requires you to go off-road, or if you want to keep your guttering clean, this could be the attachment for you. It works with the Turtle Wax pressure washers. It also works with the Bosch pressure washers. I'm going to be using it with my Turtle Wax TW135 pressure washer. I have a playlist of Turtle Wax products that I've reviewed. I'll leave them in the description box below. I will also leave a link for this 90-degree attachment in the description box below if you're interested. The idea behind this 90-degree nozzle, it directs the water in hard to reach areas. Let me connect it to my pressure washer and let's get on with it. I've attached the 90-degree tool now. Another thing I like about the Turtle Wax pressure washer lance is you can twist it into different angles. So say if you're cleaning under the wheel arches, you can point it upwards, or I'm going to do my shed gutter first, so I will of course be pointing it down. Apologies if you can hear any noise because there are children playing outside. As you can see there, it's fantastic to clean under the wheel arches. For £12, I'd say this is an excellent tool. As you can see, there is both the mud up from underneath the wheel arch as well, a bit of mud that I had because we don't go off-roading, but this would be perfect for someone who goes off-roading, or generally you want to keep your guttering clean or hard to reach areas. For £12, this is an excellent tool. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. I'll see you all in my next video.